Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about companion gardening. This is a technique that can help you grow healthier and more productive plants. Companion planting is all about planting different crops together that can benefit each other in some way. For example, some plants can repel pests while others can attract beneficial insects. Planting marigolds with tomatoes can help repel nematodes, while planting basil with tomatoes can improve their flavor. Let's look at this gardening bed. Here we have beans and corn. The beans can climb up the corn stalk while also fixing nitrogen in the soil for the corn to benefit on. Also the infamous three sister crops where you can plant corn, beans and zucchini. The corn plant will provide support for the beans to climb on, while the beans will help fix nitrogen in the soil that will benefit the corn and the zucchini. The zucchini on the other hand will cover the ground, thus suppressing the weeds that could be detrimental to the three crops. Brassicas can also be planted with onions in between or on the peripheral ends of the edges. The pests like aphids, thrips and whiteflies are a very big challenge when it comes to producing brassicas. But when you intercrop with onions, onions tend to repel the pests and thus help improve the productivity and the health of your plant. As you can see, companion planting can be a great way to improve your garden health and productivity. If you are interested in trying this out, please do your research first so that you may know how the crop that you intend to will work well together before giving it a try. If this video has been beneficial to you, please kindly like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next